Ayan, patamsak lang po. Sa ayan, Ate Roxy, ha. Maraming salamat, Ate Roxy. Ayan. Hindi ako nag-LS hindi ako nag-LS, Ate Roxy, nung other day. Sunday and Monday na busy po ako, Ate Roxy. Nagtambay-tambay lang po ako sa mga nag-e-LS. Pero I'm back now. Nag-LS ako kanina. Siguro mga ano yun, mga 9:35 in the morning. 9:35 in the morning, mga 45 minutes lang. Late nga dumating yung ano, yung tutulong sa akin dito na community carer. Mega shoutout po for people in the house. Thank you so much guys for dropping by to say hello to my live stream. And please don't forget to like my LS today. I really appreciated your time, guys. You guys are very supportive. Thank you so much. Ayan po, no? Magkape ka muna, Ate Roxy. Kape ka muna, sandali lang. Support shorts with of Ate Roxy. And also, mega shoutout po kay Sunshine Life updates. Ayan po. Thank you so much po sa palipad mo kanina. Ayan, nakanalo ako, Ate Roxy. Elliot De La Cruz, mega shoutout po. Good day po sa iyo. Ayan. Ate Roxy, alam mo Ate Roxy, nanalo ako sa pag-games kahapon. What's in the box? Ayan, what's in the box? Naka 200 din ako. SCCTV, mega shout out. Ayan. Naka 200 din ako, Ate Roxy. Yes, malamig po dito. Just only today, nag-snow po, guys. Only today. That's why past 2 days is really freezing, really cold, guys. That's why it's gonna be snow. It's -1 degree here. Imagine po, guys, sa mga Canada, Alaska, tapos sa mga Norway, talagang makapal yung mga snow. Doon sa Iceland, ayan, talagang sobrang kapal ng snow. Dito sa amin, guys, uulan lang ng snow ng 1 or 2 days, that's it. Melted na po yung snow. Pero nagpapanik din kami pag nag-snow kasi hindi kami prepared pag nag-snow kasi dito, guys, kasi lang talaga, we just using rock salt sa mga daan para yung mga vehicle hindi po mag-slide or skid. Yan, luckily is not quite thick snow. Mga lang siguro siya, mga 2 inch lang, guys. Sa ibang bansa kasi, hi Raymix, mega shout out. Mega shout out. Ate Roxy, I'm watching your video right now, the kangaroo. Ayan, lots of kangaroo. Watching your video right now, the kangaroo. Maraming kangaroo sa Australia, Ate Roxy. Maraming kangaroo sa Australia. Ayan. There are indigenous animals. Talagang they're very careful talaga yan sa sa mga kangaroos. They breed a lot though. Ayan, kasi nangangalmot din yan. Pag ikaw ay inatake niya ng kangaroo, they will kill you. Few people that died with kangaroo. No? Kasi matulis kasi yung mga kuko nila yan eh. They are cute. They're amazing to watch. They're unique animals but they are dangerous as well. Nangangalmot po yan. Nangangalmot. Maraming salamat, Ate Roxy. Raymix, hello po. Alam mo, Ate Roxy, ang ganda-ganda ng snow kanina. Ang ganda-ganda ng snow. Hindi na yata siya uulan